babe, oh 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 babe. Girl, tell me how you kept that frown, yeah. All the time that I've been right here with you. You haven't said a word, no. And I've been trying so long, baby. And I've been trying so long, babe. Yeah, oh yeah. To get that frown up off your face, girl, yeah. Cause I don't like to see my girl like that, no. Whoa. Tell me, was it something I've done? Yeah. Cause I don't want tonight to be a hard one, no. And I just want you to come over here and now. Put your arms around me, no. And we ain't gotta worry about nobody else right now. Girl, let's have some fun tonight. Yeah. If you didn't love me, I'll still love you. And if you didn't want me, girl, I'd still want you. Whenever the sky is gray, you make it blue. There's something about the way you do what you do. Now girl, it's something, I don't know what you do. But girl, it's something and I don't know what you do. No, I don't know, no. Whoa. Girl, I feel love when I take a look at the sky, oh. And I have never been in love this way, oh no. Cause girl, you're so special to me. Even if you didn't love me, if you didn't love me, I'll still love you. And if you didn't want me, girl, I'd still want you. Whenever the sky is gray, you make it blue. There's something about the way you do what you do. Now girl, it's something, I don't know what you do. But girl, it's something and I don't know what you do. No, I don't know, no. No. One time now for the gal, I'm up in the place. Yeah, the sis come through, get a squad, some space. Get down, girl, can't nobody tell you nothing. Yeah. And if they try to tell you something, tell them find some stairs or run up. Cause I ain't tryna be nobody, body. I ain't tryna tell you how to live your life. No. You do what you have to, I know that it's hard. On the low, bounce around, 2 different jobs. Oh. But you have to do what you have to know. A closed mouth don't get fed over here. But you have to do what you have to know. Yeah. No, closed mouths don't get fed. I hold that stays in your head. Think about it lying down in your bed at night. Baby girl, I know you do, and I know you have to. It's so unfair, when they judge you. Oh, no. Just tell them that no one can judge you. No one should judge.
Okay, you guys, so this is the final look of my lace front wig. that I created. I hope you guys made sure that you checked out part 1 that shows you how I plucked this frontal and made it look like this. It is a very detailed tutorial, so if you guys are interested to see exactly how to pluck or customize or tweeze your frontal, then check out that video, which I will leave a link up here or down below in the description section. So like I said, you guys, this is Wiggins straight hair that I am wearing right now. This is exactly how it looks after I went ahead and added some curls to the ends of the hair, and pretty much all I did was use a flat iron. I did mold my hair so my lace frontal can lay really flat, as you guys can see right now. Let me know if you guys want me to do a video on how I mold my lace frontal down to make sure it looks really flat and natural, and I will do the video for you. I did not bleach the knots on this frontal. All I did was use some face powder and my little makeup brush. You guys know I only pretty much use this one and this little brush right here, and I just kind of dabbed it and put it in the areas where the lace will be showing. Another thing is, you guys, I do not have this my frontal or hairline gel down, glued down, or anything like that. You can easily like lift it up if I wanted to, as you guys can see. I felt like it was no reason for me to gel it down because I really wasn't going to be wearing it for a long amount of time. But what I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys is pretty much my experience with the hair. So like I said, the lengths that I have in right now is 20, 22. No, I'm sorry, take that back. They did send me 20, 22, 24, 24, but I was only able to install the 3 bundles and the frontal. So I did install both the 24 inches as well as the 22 inch, and then of course the 20-inch frontal. And this is exactly what I got. Guys, like I said, I do have like the longest length, which is 24 inches in, and then I have 2 of the 22 inch. So I'm gonna go ahead and stand up and show you guys exactly how long this hair is. Pretty much this hair hits like the top of my butt. The hair does seem pretty full. I did notice that the hair is not as thick as other bundles that I have seen, and I know it's because the lengths are long. The longer the lengths are, the less hair that you get, and I think that's the reason why they sent me 4 bundles instead of 3 bundles. But I was still able to create a wig and it being like this with only the 3 bundles in the frontal. So the next thing I'm going to go ahead and get into is pretty much the quality of the hair. Now, I really do like how flowy this straight hair is. Even though it's like longer lengths, I still do get a lot of volume with this hair. It flows very nicely. I didn't have any issues with the hair being rough or anything like that. The thing we're going to go ahead and get into is whether or not this hair came with a smell or odor. The hair did come with a slight smell to it. It pretty much just smells like hair, or hair that has been like flat ironed or something like that. And that was even before I even applied a flat iron to it. It's not like a strong smell. It's like a light smell. But I did want to touch base on how did I feel about the frontal as well as the actual bundles. I did notice that with this hair, the ends were a little bit thinned out. So I did have to go in with my shears and pretty much do some point cutting to cut off a couple of inches of the hair, and it looks really good now. It looks really full from the root of the hair to the ends. Now, as far as like when the frontal goes, I don't, if you guys did check out my first video, I did mention that this frontal came like with no type of pre-plucking at all. Like I really did have to go in and pluck this frontal to make sure that it looked natural looking. It did come with a little bit of baby hairs, which was like right up in here. Thing, of course, I'm gonna go ahead and get into is, does this hair take well to heat? Now with me styling the hair, I did go in with my flat iron, and I flattened the hair first. And the flat iron that I did use is by One and Only. It's a really inexpensive flat iron that I got from Sally's, and I use this to flat iron the hair, and then I also use this to style the hair, which pretty much put these little nice curls at the ends of the hair. I didn't have any issues with using this flat iron to create my curls, and as you guys can see, the curls do hold very well. I did not put holding spray or anything like that to keep the curls in its place. This is pretty much how the hair is looking without any type of product as far as like holding spray. I did apply some vitamin E oil or penetrating oil, and this one is from by OGX. I usually use the vitamin E one, or I use the argan oil one, but I ran out of the argan oil one, and I used the vitamin E one, and this is pretty much how the hair looks right now. The hair looks really silky, really sleek. So yeah, you guys, this is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed the first video as well as this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you guys are interested in Wiggins Hair, as you know, I always put all their information down below in the description section, so make sure you check that out. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you have subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe so you can stay up to date on all my videos. I will be pushing out more videos this month because this is my favorite month of the year, which is December. So you will be seeing a lot of videos from me. Make sure you guys click on your notification to get notified each and every time I upload a new video. And then also make sure you guys like and share this video with your friends. And as always, you guys, I will see you in the next video.